Hey guys, welcome to the part 3rd of the CGL Tier 1 series 2019. So here we will discuss the English comprehension section which was asked on 6th of March 2020 in the CGL paper Tier 1 2019. So we will start with the very first question. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute it, select no improvement. We came back because we had run out of money. Answer is first option, we had run. Second is no improvement. Third is we have run. Or fourth is we run. So again go through the question. We came back because we had run out of money. So we had run out of money is the correct option. So we had run, not ran. The option is run. First option. We had run out of money. Move to the second question. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Persist. Options are continue, insist, remain, or cease. So the correct option is cease. The antonym for persist is cease. Option fourth. Select the option that can be used as a one-word substitute for given group of words, whereas having two opposing feelings at the same time. Options are contemporary, coinciding, ambivalent, equivalent. So the option is ambivalent. Ambivalent having two opposing feeling at the same time. Move to the question fourth. Select the correct passive from form of the given sentences. The farmer is plugging the field. The field were plugged by the farmers. The fields are being plugged by the farmers. The fields are plugged by the farmers. The field have been plugged by the farmer. So the farmer is plugging the field. In the correct passive form, it will be the fields are being plugged by the farmer. So is going to change in are, and we add being plugged by the farmer. So the option second is the correct option in this. Move to question fifth. Identify the segment in the English in the sentence which contain the grammatical error. If there is no error, select no error. Those who are late, they will not be allowed inside the room. Those who are late, no error, inside the classroom, they will not be allowed. So you need to find the error. So those who are late, they will not be allowed inside the room. That part has an error. So they will not be allowed in the room. So this part, option 4, is the correct option where we find an grammatical error. Move to the question 6. Select the correct indirect form of the given sentence. What a rare flower, she said. Options are she asked if it was a rare flower. She exclaimed that it was a very rare flower. She told what a rare flower it was. She exclaimed what a rare flower it is. So the option second is the correct option. She exclaimed that it was a rare, very rare flower. Move to the seventh question. Is in comprehension with the filling the blanks. In the following passage, some words have been deleted. Fill the blanks with the help of the alternative given. Select the most appropriate option for each blank. Atlas was made to hold the sky up on his shoulder as punishment. Once Hercules dash to hold it for Atlas. Once Hercules. So the option for the question 7th is extended, order, afforded, or offered. So Atlas was made to hold the sky up on his shoulder as a punishment. Once Hercules offered to hold it for Atlas. So option D is the correct option. Move to the question 8. So while the latter went looking, dash golden apples. So the options are at, far, on, or after. So we again start with once Hercules offered to hold it for Atlas while the latter went looking for golden apples. So golden apples we used for. So second option is the correct option in the 8th part. Move to the ninth. When Atlas returned, he saw Hercules dash hard to hold the sky. So the option are seeking, coping, tackling, or struggling. So struggling is the correct option, option fourth. Hercules hard to hold the sky. The weight of the sky dash Hercules sweat and groan. So the options are was making, has made, were making. So put the option first. The weight of the sky was making Hercules sweat and groan. So option first is the correct option or best fitted in this fourth option. So option 1 was making is the correct one in the fourth filling the blanks or the 10th question. Move to the 11th question. Now Atlas did not want to dash a job as arduous so as that. Take away, take back, take out, take in. Put the take back in the filling the blanks. Now Atlas did not want to take back a job as arduous as that. So option 2 is the correct one for the fifth filling the blanks or the 11th question. Move to the 12th question. Identify the segment in the sentence which contain the grammatical error. If there is no error, select no error. Everyone except she have traveled by air. Everyone except no error is there. Then no error, second option. Third is the travel by air. There was no error. She have. Everyone except she have traveled by air. Everyone except she had travel. So had will be there. So option fourth is the incorrect one. So move to the 13th question. Select the most appropriate option to filling the blanks. The roof of the building dashed during the storm. Destroyed, demolished, or collapsed or stretched. So the roof of the building collapsed during the heavy storm or storm. As we seen, it comes as it doesn't come as destroyed or demolished. It's come as collapsed. So I'll move to question 14. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Glee. First option is woo. Second is fun. Third is joy. Fourth is bliss. So the first is woe is the correct option. Select the option that can be used as one word substitute for the given group of the word and phrase. A group of the ship. Colony, squad, swarm, fleet. Option fourth, group of ship is known as fleet. We generally seen the companies are making the statement like they have the fleet of 10 ships. So they can't say a group of ships. They say a fleet of ships. In different fleets there are different ships. Like in the navy itself, in the Indian Navy itself, they call the chief of the navy as the chief on the fleet. Chief of the fleet. Okay, so the move to the option fourth. Then the 16th question. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Acquisition is the correct. Abandon is correct. Acquaintance. Then you so the third answer for the third option given, acquaintance, is the incorrect one. TANCE. That was the correct spelling. Alliance is the correct one. So third option is a misspelled or incorrectly spelled word. Select the most appropriate meaning of their given idiom. Chicken-hearted, miserly, generous, selfish, or cowardly. The option is cowardly. Option fourth. Given below are 4 jumbled sentences. Out of the given option, pick the one out. Gives their correct order. Much of this war had taken place along the Western Front. A. B. Both sides had dug in deep and each lost many men over the little ground. C. This front was a line of trenches across which the two sides faced each other. D. Henri Maginot had fought a war with the French against the German. So you need to arrange this in the correct order. So we will take the fourth as that was the correct one. Henri Maginot had fought a war with the French against the German. Much of this war had taken place along the Western Front. This front was a line of trenches across which the two sides faced each other. Both the sides had dug in deep and each lost many men over the little ground. So the option fourth is the correct one. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute it, select no improvement. When it started raining, I ran to the nearer house for shelter. Options are the near house, a no improvement, or the nearest house, a near house. So you need to substitute it. So I ran to the nearest house for shelter. When it started rain, I ran to the nearest house for the shelter. Select the wrongly spelled word: peace, grieve, siege, fears. So the incorrect word is therein is seize. SEIZE is the correct word. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. She dash how the magicians had performed the rope trick. Suspect, bewildered, wondered, or puzzled. So we generally wondered that how the magician had performed the rope trick. So option third is the correct option. Move to the question 22nd. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom by and by. By and any means suddenly, gradually, on the whole. Select the most appropriate synonyms of the given word preferred. Most appropriate synonym of the given word preferred is favored, compared, feared, and adored. So option A is correct, favored. Then move to question number 24. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Ovation. Answer 1 is creation, second is applause, third is preparation, fourth is censure. So second is applause is the correct option in this question. Given below are 4 jumbled sentences. Out of the given option, pick the one that gives their correct order. The mountain range was covered with snow. Napoleon had to cross the Alps in the winter. Napoleon replied that the word impossible did not exist for him, so someone told Napoleon that the task was impossible. Start with the option 1. Napoleon had to cross the Alps in water. The mountain range was covered with the snow is the second. Then move to the D part. So someone told Napoleon that the task was impossible, but the Napoleon replied the word impossible did not exist for him. So option first, BADC, is the correct option in this question. So here we complete the third part of the English comprehension of the CGL Tier 1 2019 original paper. So now only one part left of the quant. So I will upload it with the every solved question on the screen, so that you get an fair idea of the correct options, how they choose the correct options, and it will give a fairly enough idea for CGL 2020. Thank you.